Jocelyn Blanchard here, owner of Alaska House Hunting at Jack White Real Estate, here for project update number 9. This is going to be one of our last project updates. I think I might come one more time just to give a final walkthrough, but pretty much we are almost there. I can't wait to show you. All right, here you have our entry, and check out this new flooring. We are still needing the stair nose trim out for the stairs to get this completed, but you walk upstairs and look at this awesome inviting area. I'm just so excited with the way that this turned out. It's so much more open and light and just clean, clean cut. And so as you can see, our kitchen is almost finished. We have our stove over here. That's gonna go over here. And then we got our refrigerator downstairs in our garage. But I just love the way that the countertops turned out, kind of the holistic layout here. It just looks so great. And I couldn't be happier with the design and then coming to light. And then our dining room over here, we have all new baseboard covers. So give those a nice clean look there. And over here we have our back door, which goes down into our garage. And then here, I envision like a little bench with some door hooks on there for like a little storage area. Here we have a nice large living room. We took out that fireplace, really opened it up and made a really center focused like TV wall here, our media room. In that bathroom that we opened up here, I don't remember if you guys remember how tiny it was, but it was so small, and now it's just nice and large. I'm also gonna take y'all downstairs. Again, just kind of looking at the entry. Again, these stair noses will be taken care of there. Just going down here. We did a nice LVP for the entry and all the stairs and all the common areas, so they're water resistant and very durable. So one of the main things that we haven't gotten completed yet is the bathroom. So we do have our vanity and our mirror and our new light fixtures in there. But we haven't finished the bathtubs. We're waiting for our contractor to come out and resurface these. So these will be this nice white, just like the toilet, and it'll look real clean cut as well. So excited about that. Our bedrooms all have carpet, and it's just really kind of coming together and gonna finish up here. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm excited to get this project finished up and a new one on the way after we get this one all wrapped up. Well, thanks so much for joining me for one of the last project updates. I'm so excited to see this project get finished and on the market. Call me if you have any house hunting needs.